here? What is wrong with you?
Can you stop dragging me? Can't you be a gentleman for once? You want to get me out?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I don't know you.
I know you.
I don't know you.
I know you.
Well, it's possible you know me. I'm a very handsome man, but I don't know you. Nobody knows me, okay? These pictures are fake. If you're planning to blackmail me with them, it will not work. Those pictures are fake.
That's a lie.
Leave my house now.
That's a lie. I know
John!
you. Those photos are not fake.
John!
You cannot intimidate
Move her
me.
out.
You said you love me. I'm not going anywhere.
I don't.
You said you love me.
Move her out, John. You're wasting my time. Push her out.
Hey. Don't touch me with your infectious pirated hands. Get out.
John, carry her on your head. Move.
Don't touch it. Leave me alone. Get out. Johnny, you said you love me.
John, keep going.
You said you love me. Don't. I will kick your ass.
Lock the gate, my friend. Lock. Tom, how did she get in here? I'm asking you, John. Huh? The last time I told you, I don't want to see anybody in my house uninvited. Didn't I warn you?
No, sir. Sorry,
Last time.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Last
sir.
time.
Yes, sir.
No need to fight. Let it be rain.
What? Chantal?
Hi.
Tony, Chantal, are you okay? Well, meet Franklin, my fiance.
Hi.
Tony.
Tony. My name is Franklin. Franklin, not Tony.
No, this is Tony.
Chantal! Excuse me. Chantal, wait, please. Come back, don't go! Chantal!
Are you here? What are you doing?
Where is Immaculate? I want to settle my scores with her right now.
What scores do you have to settle with your own blood sister?
Stop it. She is not my sister. And she can never be. Hey! You are not my sister. And you can never be my sister. You're a bitch. Go to hell. What? Hey!
She's your sister.
Are you alright?
What kind of a dream is this? Chantal shot her sister, Immaculate.
What do we call this kind of dream? Shoot what? How?
But why would Chantal shoot her blood sister?
Anyway, it's a mere dream. It's night already. Let's go in and sleep. Please.
God, please, protect my family from any impending danger. Please.
Amen.
Amen.
Let's go.
daddy coming back?
He will come back tomorrow.
Auntie Susan, have you seen my mommy? I've been longing to meet her.
Can we go? If you go late to school, your school teacher will punish you. Let's go.
Susanna. How far now? Hi, David. I want Moku talk.
I've warned you. My name is not Susanna. My name is Susan.
What will be the difference between Susan and Susanna? The two things now one now. I beg, come, Moku talk, I beg. I bring this for you.
As you can see, I'm taking Divine to school. I don't have time for your ear talks.
Leave Divine.
Let's go.
Leave Divine.
Let's go.
I beg, Moku talk.
Let's go.
I dey talk to you, they go. Susanna!
Oh, immaculate.
Shadrach, what a surprise.
Same here, where have you been? I searched for you all over.
Same here, I did too. It's been a while. It's been so long.
Yeah, well, long story. Thank God that I found you again. I mean, you're looking so beautiful now.
Thank you. Anyways, I have to rush. I'm about to go pick up my sister from the airport. She landed a couple of minutes ago, so I have to go. Take care.
Oh, no, you can't just leave like that. Please, let me have your contact so I can talk to you on phone. You know, we need to sit down and talk about us for real.
I'm sorry, I can't do that. I'm getting married at the end of the month. There's no us anymore, I'm sorry. But, see you around. Besides, I'm not on my wedding card. I would have invited you. Sorry about that.
Is this a joke or something? It's not even up to a year that we lost contact and you're already coming up with this. Are you for real?
My sister, I really need to go. I'm sorry. Take care.
Immaculate.
Please, I'll be right there.
Good to see you home.
Thank you, Daddy. Thanks, Mom.
Mom, Dad, take a good look at her. She doesn't even look like a student.
Hello?
Imagine. Yeah!
I wouldn't say that. This is so simple. You know what? I am just here for your wedding. After that, I'm off to London.
No, you go nowhere.
Say so.
I'm seizing you. You are not going. What's wrong with this one? You're not going anywhere. You want to be close to finish that and Mom's money.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you, Mommy. As always.
Yeah.
Mama, look at you two. What do you do to them? They don't look old at all.
My darling, it seems Dad has a secret vampire serum that they both take. They never get old.
Oh my word.
Your mom is doing very, very well.
Oh, have you forgotten? Like this is the only lady that will be old without growing old.
They're all ageless. Fine.
You are a client, ageless queen.
I miss you,
and
Mom.
stainless queen.
I miss you.
Welcome.
Oh my God.
Good to have you.
Same here. I want to run off.
Off tomorrow.
I mean, come here. We have to gossip.
Yeah?
What's that? Come and sit here.
We have a lot to talk.
Mom, is the food not ready?
guess this is her father's house. Immaculate. I'm not going to let any man take you away from me. I will certainly find out who that person is.
He's not in town. He traveled with his daughter to go see his mom. He'll be back tomorrow.
No, you're kidding me. What do you mean by he traveled out of the town with his daughter? I don't get it.
What don't you get?
Immaculate. Do you want to get married to a married man with a kid? What about his first wife?
Chantel, first off, he's not married. They are divorced. He caught her cheating with his best friend in his matrimonial bed.
He told you so, huh?
It's true. I had to make my findings. Trust me, he wasn't lying. He was too good for her. The only thing I know is he loves me and his daughter accepts me. And I love him too.
Okay. I don't want to be judgmental here, but I really want to say this man that you have refused to show me his picture.
Well, in fairness to me, I wouldn't want to show you his picture because you will always judge. If I show you his picture, I wouldn't hear the end of it. Come on, I had to just... Yeah, I have to.
Oh, God.
I know you.
I am not that terrible.
You are judgmental.
I'm not.
Speak of the angel.
The devil.
Not devil, angel. My angel. Hi, baby. The big head is here. She's seated right next to me. She just poked me. She's poking me here. Oh, how's my baby? She wants to speak. You want to speak with her? Perfect. Let me give the phone to her. He wants to talk to you.
Hello, in-law. I'm good. I'm in the country now. School is fine. How are you? All right, I'm safe. Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah, see. But your voice sounds so familiar. All right, see you.
Baby, hold on. Hope you're still coming tomorrow. Of course. Yes, I'll come with her. Don't worry. My regards to my darling. I love you more. Bye.
You know, his voice.
What happened to his voice?
His voice sounded so familiar, like someone I've met before.
There she goes again. No, not my man, you haven't. Come to think of it, how did the guys in London cope with you?
I am not that terrible.
You are a handful.
I know, I'm a handful, but I am a sweet soul. Yeah, people can tell you that I'm a sweet soul.
Why are you trying to defend yourself?
Because I know who I am.
Oh, please,
Oh,
Chantel.
please, no way.
Talk to those who do not know you.
Whatever.
Your home.
Wow, this place is nice.
I know.
I like his taste.
You can say that again.
I can say that over and over again. You know, this is a good impression. I like him for you.
Thank you. Enough said. Let's go in so I can show you around. Yes.
After you.
Of course, come. darling. How are you? Good.
Hello, baby. How are you?
Fine.
This is my sister.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you.
Tell me, my darling, where's your daddy?
He's upstairs in his room.
Okay. You know what? Make yourself comfortable. I like upstairs.
That's fine. I will.
Baby, I am here.
You kept me waiting.
I am so sorry. I had to wait for my sister to get ready.
Don't tell me she didn't come with you.
Ah, she's here and she cannot wait to meet you.
Really? Same here. How are you?
Well, I'm fine, but I missed you.
I missed you too. Right.
Let's go. She's waiting.
Oh, let me see. No, I don't need this. Let's go.
Am I dreaming? I am totally confused. Well, I guess I have to wait till I see him.
What? Chantal?
Hi.
Tony!
Tony? Chantal, are you okay? Well, meet Franklin, my fiance.
Hi.
Tony!
Tony. My name is Franklin. Franklin, not Tony.
No, this is Tony. This is Tony!
Chantal! Excuse me. Chantal, wait, please. Come, wait, come back, don't go! Chantal! John, do not open that door! Chantal! Chantal, please wait! Chantal, why did you open the gate? Chantal! Chantal!
What's wrong with her?
She refused to talk to me.
Is she okay?
I really don't know. Her countenance changed the minute she saw you. She called you Tony.
I don't know. I'm surprised. My name is Franklin, not Tony. I don't know her. I've never seen her before. I think you should go know what's wrong with her.
Yeah, I'll leave immediately. Baby, tell me the truth. Are you sure you've not met my sister before? Like you don't know her?
How can you ask me such a question? You don't trust me. I don't know her. I've never seen her before. This is my first time seeing her. And right before you, she called me Tony. My name is Franklin. You know that. My name is not Tony. Go know what's wrong with her, okay?
Okay.
Call me when you get home, okay? I love you.
I love you too.
decided what we're going to get for our daughter as her wedding gift?
Wait, let me think. A car will be nice. Porsche car.
A car, just a car.
A car will be nice. Then if you want to add any other thing, fine and good.
Who could be doing this? He's banging like a madman on my gate.
Chantal, where is your sister? You are back. What happened? Why is your face this way? Where is your sister? I'm sure something has not happened.
I thought you said she went out with Immaculate.
Yes.
So how come she come back in this kind of mood?
Honestly, I don't know. They went to see Franklin. Let me find out what the problem is.
You better do.
Chantal! Open the door! Open the door! Chantal, open the door! What is the meaning of this? Open! She locked herself inside and refused to answer me.
Where's Chantal?
She locked herself inside. What happened?
I wouldn't know until I speak with her. I couldn't understand a thing of what she was saying.
Are you sure you people did not have any kind of argument?
Yeah, something like that.
Dad, the thing is, I wouldn't know how to answer that until I speak with her. So please, excuse me.
Honestly, I'm confused here.
It could be they have some misunderstanding that made Chantal to come back to the house.
What misunderstanding are you talking about? It's too early for that. Chantal just came back yesterday and you are talking about misunderstanding.
But you know your daughter Chantal, that she's too hot-tempered. Maybe Immaculate must have said something that triggered her anger. You know, you women, or believe in
Please leave women matter out of this. It might be something serious more than what you are thinking. Let me go and see my children, Vico.
Chantal, come on, open the door. You can talk to me. Tell me what the matter is. I'm your sister. You can tell me anything. Chantal, are you okay in there? Please open the door. Mom, thank God you're here. Chantal has refused to open the door. What's going on with her?
When I knocked before, she still refused. Chantal! Open the door. If you're not going to open this door, I will break this door. I promise you.
Chantal, come on. Are you okay in there? Open! Can you hear me?
Open this door!
Mom, are you sure she's alright?
Is it not if she open, we will find out?
Mom, I think we should break down the door. What if she's fainted or something? Let's...
How do we?
Chantal, are you fine? You know what, Chantal? I just can't wait for this wedding to come. I want it done quickly. I don't want my pregnancy to show. What? Shh, Mom.
Emma, she's pregnant already for him?
Yes, I mean, it wasn't supposed to happen like this, but I don't regret it. Besides, he's my husband. To be. Whatever, we're getting married in no time, so what's the problem? What counts is he loves me, I love him. Simple.
Okay. Is this the reason for this glow, like the whole pregnancy and all of that? You know what?
What?
I support you.
Thank you.
You have my support and my blessings. As much as you're happy.
I am super happy.
And he loves you.
And I love him too.
So, in due time, in less than 6-9 months, you're gonna be a mother. And I will be the hottest aunt, like hottest aunt of the century.
Yes, from your lips
Aunt Gege
to God's ears.
Amen.
Amen.
You proposed to me. The next thing you did was to disappear into the thin air. Two months later, I found out that I was pregnant for you. I couldn't keep it because of what people and my family would say. What did you do, Tony? You ran to Nigeria, proposed to my sister. And now, she's pregnant for you. Really? Now you want to marry my sister? No way. Never. You will marry me. You must marry me. You will marry me. And not my sister.
Her trouble started the moment she laid her eyes on Franklin. She called him Tony. The next thing I knew was her picking up her bag and dashing out of the house.
She called Franklin Tony.
Have they met before?
How is that even possible? Dad, Mom, we all know Chantel has been out of this country for 5 years. She's been in London, where she's been studying. And this is the first time she's coming back. I, on the other hand, met Franklin last year. And trust me, Dad, when I say that, Franklin has never been to London. He only does his business in China.
So how did she come about the name Tony?
This is her.
What? What?
Jesus Christ. Franklin.
How did you come about this?
Chantel, I do not know what you are up to, but you and I know that this is purely an arrangement.
An arrangement, you said? Hey, baby, listen to me before you get me all wrong. Tony and I are engaged. We promised each other marriage before his sudden disappearance.
FYI, the man you're calling Tony isn't Tony, but Franklin. My Franklin. And trust me when I say that Franklin has never set his foot in London. Chantal, I do not understand all this nonsense you're trying to bring up to disrupt my wedding, but trust me when I say it will not work.
Can both of you just calm down? Let me really understand what is going on.
Daddy, nothing else is going on. Tony, Franklin, or whatever he's called, ditched me the moment I needed him most. All of a sudden, he came down to Nigeria and engaged my sister.
Mom, Dad, I do not know what Chantel is trying to do here. But I will not have Chantel disrupt my wedding. It won't work.
Oh, really? Excellent. Then watch me do it. Because I will not be alive and watch you get married to the same man who got me pregnant, proposed to me, and disappeared.
What? Ready to die.
No way.
You're ready to die. You're not pregnant.
Did you say you are pregnant?
Mom, she's lying. She's not pregnant.
This world. Can you tell me why you are fighting? You get one murderer. Fighting. Wow, fighting. Can you tell me the reason why you fight?
Chantal, I am talking to you. Didn't you hear me call you? What exactly do you stand to gain by disrupting my wedding with Franklin? What are you up to?
What do I gain by doing so?
That's exactly what I want to know. What would you gain by disrupting my wedding with Franklin?
Listen, Immaculate. Franklin or Tony can never be your husband. Get that?
You know what? You can take all your lies and shove it down your throat. I do not care. You will not stop my wedding with Franklin, whether you like it or not.
Can you shut up and stop talking? Now listen to me. I will not let the same man who almost messed up my life get married to you. Not to you, not to any other woman.
Chantal, I'll say this just once. You are treading on a dangerous path. You better have a rethink before you mess up your miserable life yourself.
Tony, I will not let you marry my sister. You must marry me or no other woman. And that's on period.
This world. Can you tell me why you are fighting? You get one murderer. Fighting. Wow, fighting. Can you tell me the reason why you wanna fight? You wanna fight, but
Dad, are you alright?
Yes, my darling, I am fine.
Dad, where is Auntie Immaculate? Where did she go to?
She went out. She went to handle something, but she'll soon be back.
Okay, Dad.
Don't worry, go to your room. I'll be with you shortly, okay? How did you get this?
Your ex-lover. Yes, she presented it as evidence to show that you both really dated in the past.
What is wrong with you? What do you mean ex-lover? I don't know her. How can I be in a picture with somebody I don't know?
That's the explanation you need to give me. How come you're in a picture with my sister you claim you do not know?
Christ. My love, don't tell me you believe her. First of all, right before you, she called me Tony. My name is Franklin. You know that. My name is not Tony. Secondly, you said she studied in London. I've never been to London before. So what's going on? She needs to explain.
Franklin, do not try to confuse me. My sister could not have forged those pictures.
Why don't you believe me? It's obvious your sister has an ulterior motive. She needs to explain why she's doing this. Oh, believe me, I don't know her. I've never met her before until today.
Confused. I don't even know who to believe at the moment.
You need to believe me, my love. It's me. It's Franklin. Your fiance, it's me. As for your sister, she has to explain how she got these and why.
My daughter, the reason I'm here this night is for us to have a one-on-one talk. And I want you to tell me the truth. Nothing but the truth. I want you to tell me all that transpired between you and Franklin.
Mom, please. Stop calling him Franklin. His name is Tony. I have told you absolutely everything. I've told you the truth. He got me pregnant and disappeared. I had no other option than to terminate it. Although not like I'm proud of it. But he hurt me. Mom, look at it. Here he is today, planning to marry my sister. I won't let that work.
Really? Makachi, they don't born you with the son if you marry Franklin. How dare you come out of nowhere to interrupt my wedding? Are you mad?
Immaculate, I am totally disappointed in you. After all the evidence I've shown to you, you still want to go ahead and marry him? You do not want to use your senses? Are you just foolish? Oh yes.
Immaculate. Foolish. For real? Stupid!
What is the meaning of this?
Mother will not ever call me names! For what? How dare she insult me?
Chris. No, you feel saying because I'm from London, Lagos, London. I go down once you dey mad. What's wrong with this? Don't you ever try this madness again. Stupid thing.
Immaculate.
Mother.
Why would you raise your hand against your sister?
Why not? Didn't you hear her insult me? I believe you're seated right here. Listen, I don't care whatever nonsense you have going on in that little woozy brain of yours. But you see, my wedding to Franklin, it will hold. Newsflash. Okay. You or no one else can disrupt my wedding. So, I would advise you, darling sister, take the next available flight back to London and stay where you belong. Hey, Mother, talk to her. I won't do this with her.
You are just blabbing. You see that wedding? It's not going to hold. Just get it into your head. Stupid thing.
Shut up.
Oh, Mom, please. Don't touch me, please.
Calm down.
Calm down for what? Calm down for what exactly, Mom? Didn't you hear her? Didn't you see the madness she just displayed? She hit me because of a man. Okay, she's your daughter, right? And you love her so much. Just advise her because she has beaten more than she can chew. I'll pay back.
I want to remind you in case you forgot them that both of you are sisters.
Oh, to hell with that. She is not going to marry Tony, and that's final. There's nothing anybody can do about it. Not even you, Dad, or the so-called Tony. It's me or no one else.
Chantel.
Mom.
Everything will be sorted out amicably.
Whatever.
Trust me.
I must fight. Battle for love. Battle for love. I must fight. Give me my love. I go live up for you. I know go believe that my love. Live up for me. I know go believe that my love. I must carry on. I know go believe that my love. Live up for me. I know go believe that my love. I must carry on. Battle for love. Battle for love. Give me my love.
Guy!
Frankie.
Okay. Bad guy. Look at you. Set track. Okay. Good to see you, bro.
Good to see you
Hey,
too, man.
long time. Where you go hide now, this man?
Man, I traveled out of the country after the last business we did together. So
For real?
I came in about 2 weeks ago.
No wonder. I don't wonder. Like, if you did that, you go call me.
Yes, nah.
Look at you.
Man, you're
Bad
looking
guy.
good.
Would they try? You too.
Fresh guy.
You too. How far now? What are you doing on the road? You shoot your car?
Yeah, my small car.
Okay.
I don't know what happened. It just stopped.
Okay. Have you called the mechanic?
I don't know who to call.
No, bother yourself. That's more matter. Let me call somebody for you.
Frankie, my man.
Don't worry. My mechanic stays somewhere not too far from here.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll tell you it. Don't worry, bother yourself. My man. Good to see you, bro.
Good to see you too, my bro.
Yeah. Hello, Charles. Hello? Charles? Yeah, how you doing now? No wala. Are you in your workshop? Okay, fine. I need you right now. My friend's car just broke down somewhere close to Ikem Square. Yeah, that road to Ikem Square. Once you enter the road, you see us on the road. Well, come quickly now. Come find out what's wrong with the car and fix it. I trust you. Hurry. I wait.
Okay, so he's coming right away.
The guy, they come now.
Look, I bump for your car now. My guy, I'm so proud of you. Congratulations. In fact, if you haven't gotten a best man, please do make me one.
Bro. Come on. Wala deal.
What is that?
I've been looking for who to complain to. Thank God I met you.
What's happening?
Chantal.
Hi.
Tony!
Chantal, are you okay? Well, meet Franklin, my fiance.
Hi.
Tony.
My name is Franklin. Franklin, not Tony.
No, this is Tony. This is Tony.
Chantal! Excuse me. Chantal, wait, please. Come back, don't go! Chantal! John, do not open that gate! Chantal! Please wait! Chantal! Why did you open the gate? Chantal!
Dad, are you alright?
Yes, my darling, I am fine.
Dad, where is Auntie Immaculate? Where did she go to?
She went out. She went to handle something, but she'll soon be back.
Okay, Dad.
Don't worry, go to your room. I'll be with you shortly, okay?
Ex-lover. Yes, she presented it as evidence to show that you both really dated in the past.
What is wrong with you? What do you mean ex-lover? I don't know her. How can I be in a picture with somebody I don't know?
That's the explanation you need to give me. How come you're in a picture with my sister you claim you do not know?
Christ. My love, don't tell me you believe her. First of all, right before you, she called me Tony. My name is Franklin. You know that. My name is not Tony. Secondly, you said she studied in London. I've never been to London before. So what's going on? She needs to explain.
Franklin, do not try to confuse me. My sister could not have forged those pictures.
Why don't you believe me? It's obvious your sister has an ulterior motive. She needs to explain why she's doing this. Believe me, I don't know her. I've never met her before until today.
Confused. I don't even know who to believe at the moment.
You need to believe me, my love. It's me. It's Franklin. Your fiance, it's me. As for your sister, she has to explain how she got these and why. My girl doesn't believe me. Nobody believes me. I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
This girl in question, is your fiance's sister, the one that studies in London?
Yes, same one. She came back for our wedding.
So, how did she get the picture she brought to your fiance?
I don't know. I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know? Have you tried to confront her to know how she got those pictures?
I've not done that. But truth is, I hate this woman. She disgusts me. I don't want to see her. I mean, how can I go about trying to speak with somebody who's trying to spoil my wedding?
Look, Frank, I understand you. But if I were you, I would advise you to meet one-on-one with this lady in a private place. I mean, have a conversation with her. I bet you might have one or two to learn from her.
Conversation, and discuss what? What are we going to discuss? Isn't it obvious this lady wants to spoil my wedding? Huh? Coming up with pictures, things that she made up. But what am I going to be discussing with her?
Just do as I said first. Okay, and see how it goes.
That nonsense. What are you saying? A business of 50.8 million. Sealed, delivered. And up till now, you've not sent me my percentage. What's wrong with you? My friend, stop telling me such nonsense. Send my money right now before you see the beast in me. Send me my money.
Auntie, I like Auntie Immaculate and I like you too.
Aww, thank you. But I like you more.
Thank you, Auntie. Can you tell me a story?
I should tell you a story?
Yes.
Are you sure you want to listen?
Yes.
Okay. Story.
Story.
Are you sure you want to hear this?
You good?
Yes. Dad, Auntie Shatter is a good person.
Really?
Yes.
Go upstairs, darling.
Okay.
I'll be with you shortly.
Okay.
Hi, baby.
Hurry up, darling. What are you doing in my house?
I am here to see you, Tony.
My name is not Tony. My name is Franklin.
Whatever. I am here to sort out things with you, Tony. You see, the earlier you quit this game, the better for all of us, Tony.
You are the one who's playing a game, not me. How did you get that picture you're showing everybody?
I see. Interesting. I am glad you've seen it. The picture is everywhere. Why not come open? Show my sister who you really are and stop deceiving her.
Listen, if you don't tell me why you're doing this and how you got that picture, I'll have no other option than to get you arrested. Perfect.
Because I am not scared. I am sure the police will be interested to hear my story. Our story. You proposed to me, you got me pregnant, and you disappeared. How could you? You almost died in the process of aborting the pregnancy. Here you are, claiming to be someone else. You are wicked.
I don't know who you are. My name is Franklin, not Tony. Tell whoever sent you that you did not see me. If your plan is to stop my wedding to Immaculate, it will never happen. We will get married and you cannot stop
Oh
it.
no, I will not have you do this to me.
Get out of my house now.
Okay. This wedding will not hold. Watch how I am going to do it. Never.
What kind of problem is this now? What kind of problem is this? Who is this person? I've not seen you before.
Oh, fighting, fighting.
I think I'm wasting my time on my matter with Immaculate. I have to make a move immediately. She is the love of my life, and I must possess what is mine.
Hi, baby. How you doing, my love? Babe, why is your face like this? What is it, my darling?
Vita, what are you doing here? You didn't tell me you were coming.
You just called me by my name. Wait, do I need to inform you first before coming to your house?
I don't know how to put it not to sound stupid or embarrassing. But please, I need you to go now. I have a problem that I need to sort out. I will send for you when everything is fine. For now, you need to leave, please.
Shadrach, are you throwing me out of your house? Wait. Is there a woman in this house? Are you keeping a lady in this house?
Can you please
I am
leave?
going to wait for you in your room to sort out whatever you want to sort. What's that?
Please, Rita, do not make me repeat myself again. Like I said earlier, there's something that I'm trying to sort out. I'll send for you when I'm done. For now, I need you to please leave. I do not want anybody around me now.
Okay, fine, no problem. I will leave because I don't want to take your insults. I will leave. Bye.
Better.
Wait. Did you not say better? Eh, Shadrach? You know what? I am not leaving this house. I am going to be waiting for you in the room. So you better sort out whatever you are sorting. I am going in! Really? Better? Oh, wow! I am waiting for you, baby. Okay?
Can you just imagine? In my own house, quoi? Well, she will be shocked by the time I break the latest news to her.
I believe I can find something from her. Let me rush before she returns.
Chantal! I thought I heard someone at the bedroom. Chantal!
Baby! Baby, where are you now, eh? What's all this? Hey God, where is he? Wait, is he dodging me? No, you can't be dodging me, my love. Baby! I don't understand. What is all this? This guy is not even outside. Where did he drive to? Let it not be what I am thinking. Shadrach, you left me all alone in this house. Hey, oh my goodness. I said it that Shadrach is expecting another woman. That is why he left me here in this house. Probably he has gone to meet her somewhere else. Eh? Shadrach, you will go and come back and meet me here. No problem. Can you imagine?
No. Could it be that Chantal was telling the truth all this while? No way. No. Oh no. Yeah, who is it? Who is it?
Immaculate.
Mom!
A young man is here to see you.
Who is he?
You can come and see for yourself. He's downstairs.
Okay, Mom, I'll be right there. A young man coming to see me.
He's not picking my calls. He's not picking my calls. That is a clear evidence that he's with another woman. He's not picking my calls. You better pick up my calls, Shadrach. If not, your phone is going to run down. I will make sure I run your phone down today. What nonsense? He's not picking my calls. Aya. He's still not picking my calls. Okay, I will run your battery down. I don't even know who you're dealing with. He's still not picking my call. Hey, God. Shadrach. Okay, I'll continue to call you.
Every day, someone is dying inside slowly. Watching.
Hi.
I'm Shadrach by name. Immaculate Fiance, and I'm here to say hi.
Okay. I am Chantal, Immaculate's younger sister.
My pleasure. Nice meeting you.
Thank you, Shadrach. Did you say you are her husband to be?
Yes, I am.
Shadrach. Okay.
Hi.
What are you doing here and how did you locate my father's house?
Surprise, surprise. That's an evidence of love.
Well, Shadrach, you are not welcomed here. If you must see me not in my father's house, I now belong to someone else. Whatever we had, it's in the past now. It does not exist.
Come on, Immaculate. You can't tell me that. I still love you very much and you know it.
Well, I don't. Take your love someplace else. And please, do not ever in your life step your foot in this place ever again. Okay?
Why are you doing this to me? Tell me, why are you doing this? Take a good look at me. Am I not man enough? Or is it about wealth and riches? Of course you know that I am not that poor that I cannot take care of you and that of our born children. So why are you doing this?
I need you to leave. I wouldn't want my father to come and meet you here. So please, leave.
Wait a minute. This is becoming interesting. So Immaculate is keeping another man. I am sure Tony or Franklin, whatever, I'm sure he's not aware of that guy in my father's living room claiming to be a husband to me. Amazing. Wow.
Immaculate, remember our past. You promised never to leave me for another man. Why are you trying to break my heart now? I'm still the Shadrach that you knew those years.
Shadrach, I have moved on. I expect you to do the same. It's not my fault that we lost contact. Please, leave me alone and stay the hell out of my life, okay?
Either is it my fault that we lost contact. It's not my fault and you know it.
Please leave.
No way. I will not let my sister take my man away from me. I love you, Tony, and I will get you.
John. I'm expecting my mother. She's on her way, she's coming. Suzanne went to pick my daughter from school. If my mother gets here before Suzanne, give her this.
Okay, sir.
My house key. Apart from my mother and Suzanne, don't open this gate for anybody.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Open the gate, please.
We can actually continue from where we stopped. Now that I met you again, to part no more.
Hello?
Are you aware that your girlfriend is keeping another man who introduces himself as a husband to me?
Who's this?
Tony, Franklin, this is Chantel.
See, do not call my line again. Can you hear me? Don't call me again. Idiot.
Every day, someone is dying inside slowly. Watching my love life drain away. Watching my love life drain away. And we go extra mile for my love. I must do anything for my love. And we go extra mile for my love. And we do anything for my love.
Has your visitor got?
Yeah. Yes, Mom.
Who is he?
An old friend.
An old friend?
Okay? Stop lying and tell Mom who he is.
Meaning what exactly?
Meaning you should tell Mom who the guy is to you.
Can you just shush it? Do you know the guy from somewhere?
Can you just shut up? Say the truth and shame the devil. Mom, I came in this afternoon and I saw this perfect gentleman seated here, pretty, and he introduced himself to me as her husband too.
What?
Oh yes, that is it, Mom. So why are you just fooling yourself?
Chantel,
why don't you just tell Mom what
Chantel, stop the nonsense. Mom, Franklin is the only man in my life.
Oh, can you just stop lying? Stop it, you're irritating right now. Franklin is the only man in your life? I mean, how are you this shameless? When you know you have dozens of men running around you, go around and getting engaged to every man, and you chose not to leave Franklin for me. I mean, my Tony. What sort of a devil are you? Nonsense.
Mom, want Chantel to stay the hell away from my business. The so-called man who introduced himself to her as my fiancé is my ex. We parted ways long ago. I don't even know how he found his way to this place. No idea.
Are you now blaming your sister? Instead of blaming the man that introduced himself to your sister as your fiancé?
Mom, Mom, think about it. You and I know that Chantel has an ulterior motive. She came back to disrupt my wedding and to steal my man. Mom, please, I am begging you. I'm asking you politely to warn her. Because I will kill her before she even thinks of doing either of those things. Warn her.
What kind of problem is this? If I had known that all this would come up, I would not have let Chantel come back to Nigeria. She would have stayed over there.
Frank, I'm so sorry I missed your call. I was at my fiance's place when you called. I went to see her parents, but unfortunately the man was out.
No other. I got a call from my fiance's sister. You wouldn't believe the nonsense that stupid lady told me.
Really?
She said my fiance is having something with another man.
The same fiance that said that you got her pregnant in London and abandoned her.
It's Bonyala.
It's Bonyala.
Same person.
Listen, Frank, you need to be careful with that girl. She might be up to something.
You're right. You're right. I know she's up to something. I know. I'm a bad guy. I know. No women. I'll just tell my fiance to be careful. In fact, I've told her already. Be very careful.
Very important before it's too late.
Inside every day. Someone is dying inside slowly.
Oh, here she comes. Can you stop lying? Stop deceiving yourself and tell yourself the truth.
Chantal, please take your troubles some places. Listen, I will not let you snatch my man from me. No matter what you do or say, it doesn't matter. I won't let you even disrupt my wedding to Franklin. So please, go find someplace else to play. I'm not in the mood.
And a shameless one. How can you be dating 2 men at the same time? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
No, you should be ashamed of yourself. You are the one who came here to talk about my man. I didn't. So who should be ashamed? Tell me.
You're a stupid girl.
Chantel, please go play someplace else. I am not in the mood. I am not interested.
Do I look like I care? No. Do I care how you feel?
What has gone wrong with both of you? Huh?
Father, you should be asking her what has gone wrong with her. You know what? She shouldn't have come back in the first place.
Really? Thank God I came back. Thank God I came back to stop you from marrying my man.
Will both of you shut up? Shut it!
You don't get this whole point. You don't get it.
Have you lost it? Why would both of you 2 sisters be fighting over a man?
Mother, you should ask her that question. He is my man. I am not fighting over him. She came here to disrupt my wedding. Mother, talk to her. If she cannot support me, let her go back to London and stay the hell there. She should leave me the hell alone, please.
And what the hell makes you think that I can go back to London just like that? Who are you? You know what? As long as I leave, this wedding has failed. As long as I'm consigned, you will not marry my man. Not a prostitute like you.
What?
Oh yes, you heard me.
Why would you call your sister a prostitute? Why would you?
Is there anything better than that?
What did you just call me? What did you call me?
A prostitute.
What?
Are you
Stop
me!
Are
you stupid?
Jesus. No, come up! Fight me! Come fight me! Stupid thing.
Imagine.
You want my man to marry you?
Imagine. Shut up! What have you done to your sister?
I have not done anything. She started.
What do you mean by that?
Immaculate! Immaculate!
I didn't do anything.
Immaculate!
I didn't.
Come back here! Immaculate!
Finally, you are back. Welcome, sir. Where have you been? So you left me here and went to see another man. What have I done to you?
Which woman are you talking about?
You know exactly what I am talking about. Shada, why are you so wicked and mean? What's my crime? Tell me, what have I done to deserve such treatment from you? Now tell me, who is she? What does she have that I don't have? I have breasts, I have bum bum, I am light skin, I am loaded. So what does she have that I don't have? Shadra, tell me.
Rita, I'm just returning back. Please, just let me be. I beg you.
Shadrach, I will not let you be. I will not let you be. I've been calling you since and you refuse to pick my call. You're telling me to let you be. How? What have I done to you?
Didn't I tell you to go that I'll send for you when I'm less busy?
Busy my foot, Shadrach. Busy my foot. Oh, now I see the reason why you wanted to send me out of this house. Because you had another mistress coming into your home, right? This is the reason why you want to send me out. Splash News, let me tell you something. See that girl? I will definitely find out who she is. And when I do, trust me, you know me now, I will make her regret her life. I will make her regret for causing me this heartbreak. Nonsense.
What kind of nonsense is this? I think it's high time I let this girl know my mind, because I will not let her or any woman come between me and me Immaculate. Never!
What is it? Where are you here? What have you come to do here? You are the reason my daughter is in this condition? The reason both of my daughters are fighting each other?
Madam, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, just calm down and understand. Your daughter Chantel has mistaken me for someone else.
Oh my God! What kind of a man are you? You are still lying after everything. Chantel showed us the picture both of you took in London. What are you saying?
See, that's the thing. I've never been to London all my life. I do business in China and Dubai. I have never been to London. I'm not the Tony she's talking about.
What do you mean by that?
Baby. My love. Baby.
Thank God.
Baby.
Thank God, my daughter, you've opened your eyes.
Baby.
Where am I? Baby.
Yeah. Come here, easy.
What am I doing here?
Just relax. Calm down. Let me call the nurses. Nurse!
The doctor will soon be here and he will explain everything to you.
My head hurts.
Relax. Relax.
What is going on here? Where are all my photos? Tony's pictures were not even complete.
So I can have peace and tranquility in my father's house. Okay? I know this is the handwork of Immaculate. Don't worry. Can you imagine, Daddy? I can't even find my pictures and they're not even complete.
Now listen to me, Shanta, or whatever you call yourself. I am just coming back from the hospital. And I was told that you have not gone to the hospital to see your sister. Why? Shanta, why? I am talking to you.
I've been busy.
Busy doing what?
I've been busy looking good.
This is an act of wickedness. Let me tell you. Can you imagine that you have not gone to see your sister? I'm ashamed of you. Yes! I'm totally disappointed. This is wickedness. Bearing in mind, you are the one that put her in that condition. Shanta!
That is this all you have to say? You all keep blaming me for every single mistake. Don't you think she contributed to all of this? Is this not Immaculate's fault? She started it. How can she just... It's very simple. Leave my man alone. Leave Tony alone. What is so hard? Can't you just advise your child?
Shut up. Will you shut up? With the level of your education, you are still behaving like this. I'm ashamed of you. Honestly, thank God that nothing happened to my daughter. Just thank your star that nothing happened to my daughter.
He said his daughter. So I'm nobody's daughter in this house? Then what the hell am I doing here? If I don't belong here, tell me so I can leave. Just advise your daughter not to go close to Tony. Whenever, if not, she will return to that hospital. Nonsense. Do I look like I care? No.
I'm just coming from the hospital. My mother wouldn't let me talk to her. She believes I'm the cause of everything.
Listen, Frank, you need to do something about this. Why would she think something like that? This matter is getting more serious than I thought. So how about the father? Is he on the same opinion with the wife?
I don't know. I've not met him since this whole thing started.
You need to try and meet up with him. The daughter from London might have met your look-alike. That's what I feel like.
It's more than a look-alike. I've taken time to look at those pictures. That's me, bro. The person in those pictures is me. It's me. That's why I'm so confused. And she has to explain how she got those pictures. I've looked at them. I don't think they're photoshopped. It's me. I mean, when did I meet this woman? When did I date her? She needs to explain.
Yes, you are right. So, how about your mother? Does she know about this matter?
No. I don't want to tell my mother. It will hurt her. My mother's health is fragile right now. It might affect her health. I don't want anything to happen to my mother. And my mother loves Immaculate so much already, even though she hasn't met her.
Then I think the best thing for you to do is just for you to leave this town. Go elsewhere and do your court marriage first. Huh?
I can't run away. I cannot run away. I need to unravel this mystery. No. Real men don't run. I'll stay back. I'll unravel this mystery. I will find out who the stony guy is.
Talking about the Tony guy, the so-called Tony guy, what if this guy is not even in existence? Yes.
What about my beautiful wife, Immaculate? I was expecting to see her the first time I came in. Didn't you tell her I was coming?
Mama, she's not around right now.
You call her on the phone. I want to hear her lovely voice. You know you have been promising to bring her to the village, but you've not done that. Is it good or Dimma?
It's not good. Fine, I take the blame, I'm sorry. I've been very busy. Yes, I've been going from one state to the other. Business. But don't worry, you see, Mama, relax now. You're just coming. You need to go and freshen up, eat, have food. Later we talk. You see her.
Hello. Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my beautiful daughter. How are you?
I am beautiful.
Frankie. She must be my daughter-in-law. We just talked about.
Oh yes, I am.
Anyway, I'm Fran's mother. Come out.
Why not?
You are too beautiful.
Thank you.
Frankie. Waka.
What is wrong with you?
Can you stop dragging me? Can't you be a gentleman for once? You want to get me out?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? I don't know you.
I know you.
I don't know you.
I know you.
Well, it's possible you know me. I'm a very handsome man, but I don't know you. Nobody knows me, okay? These pictures are fake. If you're planning to blackmail me with them, it will not work. Those pictures are fake.
That's a lie.
Leave my house now.
That's a lie. I know
John?
you. Those photos are not fake.
John!
You cannot intimidate
Move her
me.
out.
You said you love me. I'm not going anywhere.
I don't.
You said you love me. You
Move her out, John. You're wasting my time. Push her out.
Hey. Don't touch me with your infectious pirated hands. Get out.
John, carry her on your head. Move.
Don't touch it. Leave me alone. Get out. Johnny, you said you love
John,
me.
keep going.
You said you love me. Don't. I will kick your ass.
Lock the gate, my friend. Lock. Tom, how did she get in here? I'm asking you, John. Huh? The last time I told you, I don't want to see anybody in my house uninvited. Didn't I warn you?
No, sir. Sorry,
Last
sir.
time.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
Last
sir.
time.
Yes, sir.
No need to fight. Let it be serene. Two sisters fighting for a man. Battle for love. Battle for love. Give me my love. I'm not gonna live up for you. I must fight. Battle for love. Battle for love. I must fight. Give me my love. I'm not gonna live up for you. I know God for me. My love. Live up for me. I know God for me. My love. I must
Guy, I am telling you. It's crazy. Yes, you will not believe this. This girl told my mother she's my fiance. Can you imagine? Psycho.
Jesus Christ, and you allowed her?
I didn't want to embarrass her in front of my mother. I didn't want my mother to know what's going on. So I sent my mother upstairs and then I chased her out of my house.
Listen, guy, you need to sort this thing out before your mother takes her in as her future daughter-in-law. I hope you know that.
Don't bother yourself. I'll sort it out. In fact, if she comes to my house again to say such rubbish, I'll get her arrested.
Frank, it's me, your mother.
Bro, let me call you back. My mother is here. I think she wants to speak to me.
Talk to you later.
I'll call you back later, okay?
Alright, bye.
Mother.
Where is my daughter-in-law?
She left. Something came up, an emergency, and she had to leave.
I hope all is well.
No problems, mother. You have nothing to worry about. I was just about to go take a shower before you came in. So let me just freshen up, then I'll meet you downstairs.
Okay.
Alright. Okay.
Why did you end the call, Shadrach, the moment you saw me?
I don't understand.
No, what don't you understand? The moment I walked in, you terminated the call. Why?
That wasn't what happened. I was just on call with my friend, Franklin.
Liar, Shadrach. Liar! You see that girl? I would definitely look for her. And when I do, Shadrach, trust me now, you will definitely hear what I will do to her. You will hear it!
Rita, I want to ask you, why are you troubling my life? You are just my girlfriend and you're behaving like this. That means I'll be dead by the time I get married to you. What's all this?
So I'm now your girlfriend. I'm now a girlfriend, not your fiancé anymore. And Shadrach, thank you very much. But let me tell you something. I will not be alive and watch another woman take you away from me. Never! It's not going to happen. You better get that into your head. Get that into your head, Shadrach.
I don't get it. Did I sign any agreement that you're going to be my life partner? Is there anywhere that we sign something that I'm going to end up with you? So where's all these things coming from?
Meaning? No, meaning, why are you looking at me like that? Meaning? So after giving you all the styles in this world, giving you doggy, the way you want it, telling me, oh baby, now you want to dump me for another woman. You're a big joker, Shadrach. Shadrach, if you allow the beast in me to come out, you will not like me. You will not like me, Shadrach. Don't allow the beast in me to come out. Rubbish. Hey! Just try me. Try me, Shadrach. Nonsense.
Can you imagine? Wait. Is she threatening me or something? It's time I end this thing we'll call relationship before it turns to something else.
Grandma.
Yes.
I like Auntie Immaculate. She's a good woman. I want her to be my mom.
And who is Auntie Immaculate?
Don't you know her? She comes all the time to meet Daddy, even another woman.
Hey. Another auntie comes here to see your daddy?
Yes, Grandma. She's a good woman. You can ask that. She will tell you about her.
Good woman. Auntie Immaculate.
Ma, good evening,
yes.
Ma.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, madam. My dinner is served.
Have you called my son?
No, I'll go now and inform him.
Call him. Tell him we are waiting for him.
Alright, ma.
Hurry up.
Alright, ma. Thank you.
Greetings, sir.
Greetings, my son. How are you?
I'm very much fine, sir.
You are here to see who?
Actually, my name is Shedrack.
Okay.
And I'm here to...
Hi.
Oh.
Hello, Mr.
Hi,
Shedrack.
Chantal.
Hello.
How are you? Looking good.
Oh, thank you.
That must be your father.
Oh, yes. That's my old boy.
Oh, I see.
Good to see you again.
Same here, my pleasure.
Thank you. My sister, your fiance, is not at home.
Oh. So where could she be then?
Hospital.
Hospital? What? What happened? What's she doing in the hospital?
Oh, take a chill pill. Listen, it's a long story, but she's getting better.
Please, which hospital is that so I can go there immediately?
St. Luke's Hospital.
Please, where is it located?
Just within the neighborhood, not far. When you take your left, the first right.
I'll just search on Google, St. Luke's, right? Hospital. Okay, I have to be on my way now.
That's fine, but where is your car?
Oh, I parked outside.
Okay, I'll walk you.
You will?
After you.
That's nice of you. Let's go.
My sister will tell me I'm the nicest.
So, actually I have something to meet up with, so I'll be on my way now.
It's okay.
Take good care of yourself. I hope to see you again.
Same here.
Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Stay safe.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm talking to you. I am talking to you. Wait there.
Were you talking to me?
Yes, I am talking to you, man snatcher.
Excuse me. Are you okay? Do you go around the neighborhood talking to people, saying rubbish to them? Hello, do you know who I am?
You are nothing but a man snatcher. That is what you are.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Have you lost it? How dare you? Who are you? Look at this nitwit. You come here and insult me?
You slapped me. I swear to God, you will regret the rest of your life for raising your filthy hands on me. Stay away from my man, you man snatcher. I don't know what you are doing with my man. You see that guy? If you see him, make sure you follow another direction. Stay away from him.
Hey, listen, shut up. I am not a dog, and I don't associate with one.
Okay.
The next time you come back in at my gate, I'll do something you will not regret in a hurry. Stupid thing. Get out.
Stay away from my man, you man snatcher. I will not repeat myself again. Idiot. So you are the fool that has been causing me emotional trauma. No problem. But you will regret your life if you don't stay away from my man. Fool! Idiot!
Oh, fighting, fighting. Dragging, dragging. This war, this war, this war.
Hi.
Hi.
I was at your place this afternoon and your sister told me what happened. I said I must come to see you immediately.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Mom. You look like someone I've seen before.
Yes. At the house the last time. I'm Shedrack.
Oh, I remember. You are welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
Assam, how are you feeling?
Mom, I feel tired, but I'm okay.
Don't worry. You'll soon be fine. Let me check on the doctor.
It's okay, Mom.
So, tell me, what really happened?
What did you tell my sister the day you came to my father's house?
Please, let's not talk about this here. Your condition does not permit it.
You do not tell me what my condition permits. What did you tell my sister? Why would you lie against me? Why did you tell her that I am your fiancé?
Immaculate, please, can we talk about this later? I'm begging you.
Listen and listen good, Shadrach. I have nothing to do with you. I am not your fiancé, and I will never be. So please, leave me the hell alone and stay out of my life. Understand? Mom.
What is it?
Mom, it's nothing actually. I'll be taking my leave now.
Okay. Immaculate?
Mom. Fine. That was the same man that lied to Chantel that he was my fiancé. I have nothing to do with him. He's just a friend. An old friend.
It's okay. You have to calm down. Remember your condition. The doctor will soon be here. Okay?
Thank you, Mom.
Nothing will stop us from continuing. The only thing we get at this is to get so calm. I have to everything or things is nobody.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
I'm sorry for what happened. Your people are blaming me for everything.
I don't want to talk about that in this place. When I get out of this place, we can settle this outside.
Alright. My mom came. Yeah, my mom. She came from the village. She's been asking of you.
I hope you told her I'm not the only woman in your life right now.
Babe, don't say this. Don't say this. You are the only woman in my heart, and you'll always be.
I doubt it. She devil. What have you come here to do? So you wanted me dead, so you can steal him? Really?
My love, calm down, calm down. You don't need this now.
Baby,
Relax.
please ask her to leave this place. I never ever want to set my eyes on her. Ask her to go.
Fine. You need to go.
Oh, please, stop it. I'm not here for you. You're just so dramatic.
Get out.
This is the reason I never wanted to come here in the first
I don't need your visit. Just leave. You're shameless. Get out.
Today is not Christmas. Whatever. I'm leaving.
Duh.
This world. Can you tell me why
John, get that dirty hand off my face. What's the meaning of that rubbish?
Susanna, you know the romantic at all.
See, what kind of place is that? I don't like this.
Person gonna follow you place sef, your body dey hot, your blood dey hot like say tomorrow.
I don't like it. Stop it. I don't like it.
Susanna. See, make I tell you. All this nonsense wey you dey do so. Make I tell you so. All this nonsense, you go stop one day. They see this gate man work while they do so. Make I tell you say no be today I dey do am. You dey hear o? I don get certificate for government. Dey hear me? So no come use your own dey form dey give me. Dey hear o?
Get out. I'm busy.
Busy because I say you dey watch one best friend and wetin wey dey watch. Now you dey busy. Abeg make I hear word. Make I hear word abeg. Come give me food.
Which food?
Afternoon food now.
What's the time? It's not 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock no be afternoon food to eat for. I no understand.
I'm not seeing.
Abeg come give me afternoon food abeg. If you no come give me, I go put call o. I go call oga complain give am o.
Shey I give you my phone. See, if you stress me, I'll go and call Oga Mama. It's like you're tired of your job. Are you tired?
Come, no use this my job.
Are you tired?
Play with me.
Respect yourself.
No use this my job to play with me. Dey hear me o.
Respect yourself.
If you say no be the way I take cry give oga that day, wey you wan sack me. So no use that one to play with me at all. Dey hear me? Abeg, come give me food, come give me food. Susanna, come give me food. Witchcraft, come give me food.
Two sisters fighting for a man. Battle for love. Battle for love. Baby, my love, not gonna I must fight. Battle for love. Battle for love. I must fight. Baby, my love.
The doctor said he might discharge her today. But Immaculate is saying that she's still having pains.
In that case, let us see how it goes before the end of today.
It's okay. Let me quickly go and see.
Daddy, Mommy, none of you should order me to go see that thing in the hospital anymore. I got the worst embarrassment of my life today. She's even doing better than I am. Obviously, she does not need me, and I don't need her too. I can do better than she is. Excuse me.
Are you sure she has not gone down and caused another fight?
Let me quickly rush and see her. Because I know Immaculate will be disturbed with her visit.
Please go immediately.
She will be uncomfortable. Let me see you when I come.
Go immediately.
Shadrach, you see that girl? I am going to deal with her. I will deal with her. That she will regret she was ever born.
Okay. Who are you talking about?
Oh, you know exactly who I am talking about. The girl you went to their house to see. I've seen her. I've seen exactly what she looks like. You see that girl? I am going to deal with her to the extent that she will wish she was never born.
Have you lost it?
Oh yes, I have lost it, Shadrach. I have lost it.
Oh, so what you now do is to follow me about, huh? Listen, Rita, I'm tired of this whole thing. It's over between us, so I needed to go in there, pack all your things and leave my house this minute.
You're a joker. I mean, you're a joker. Oh. You're what?
You think so?
Yes.
Do I look like I'm joking?
Of course you are. Can't you see?
I'm tired of going through the same thing with you over and over again. It's over between us. Go in there, pack your things, you're leaving this minute.
It can never be over between us. Shadrach, read my lips again. It can never be over between us. Yes, so I am not leaving this relationship for anybody. We die here. Shadrach, we die here. I am not leaving this relationship for any motherfucker. Because of that idiot, you want to dump me after sleeping with me, giving you different style. You want to leave me for that idiot. It's not possible. Shadrach, you go nowhere. This relationship can never be over.
Franklin,
has been 2 days since she came and she hasn't returned. I hope there is no problem.
There's no problem, Mother. There's no problem. She's a busy person. She's doing something, you know, work at the office. When she's less busy, she'll come.
I learned she's not the only woman visiting you here. Are you planning to marry 2 wives?
Mama, who's been feeding you with this information? I have only one woman in my life, one.
And who is the second woman?
Mama, relax now. Yeah? Calm down. Believe me. Anything I tell you, believe me. I'm not a child. Yes, I'm an adult. I have just one woman in my life and she's the one I'm going to marry.
Is she the one that came here?
Mama Zukwani Ike.
Ma, where's Ike?
Zukwani Ike. I thought you came here to rest. Relax.
I want to know everything about you.
Okay.
I want you to get married.
Guys, somebody bring this envelope so make I give him a man.
Man or woman?
Man.
Mama, it's not for you, it's for me.
I want to know now.
You want to know?
Tony, I'll keep calling you Tony, because that's your name. Why you denying me? Why claim you do not know me? Have you forgotten? These pictures we're taking today you visited me at school and asked me to be your wife. That's it. Tony, why are you denying me? Why are you denying me? Please come back to me. I still love you.
You're leaving my house now.
I am not going anywhere.
No, you're leaving.
I am not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I am not leaving this house. Never.
You're leaving my house.
Nonsense.
And nothing will stop it.
Wait, Shedrack, you lie. I'm not leaving this house for anybody. What nonsense? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere. Shedrack, leave me alone. I am not going anywhere. Leave me alone.
You're leaving my house today. I can't continue to live with a lady that cannot respect me or give me peace of mind in my own house.
You are going to regret this, Shedrack. You are going to regret this. Leave me alone. I'm not going anywhere.
I have nothing to regret. It's over between you and me.
It is not over. I'm not leaving this house for any motherfucker. I'm not leaving this house. Leave me alone.
You're still threatening me.
Yes.
You're still
I'm not
threatening
going
me.
anywhere. What nonsense? You say this relationship is do or die. Yes, so it's do or die. You're not going anywhere. You're my man forever. What's that?
It's over between us.
It's not over. It can never be over, Shedrack.
Agali. This is not the agreement we had when I introduced you to this business. We agreed on 60-40. You take 60, you give me my 40. I told you, you said you were fine with it. Now money has been paid. Why are you telling me stories?
Franklin, why are you not being considerate? Huh? We are businessmen and we do business to make profit. And moreover, 70-30 is not a bad deal.
That's what you're telling me. 70-30 is not a bad deal. Why didn't you say it when I introduced you to the business? You never mentioned 70-30. We said 60-40 and you told me you were fine.
Franklin, why are you being so selfish? Moreover, I'm the one that take the risks and everything to make sure this business falls in place. And you're here being so selfish. What is all this?
Are you
threatening me?
You have 7 days. 7 days, give me my money, else you will not like what I'll do.
Franklin, I can't give you anything more than 30%. And that is final.
Hey. 7 days, oh. 7 days.
You can keep threatening for all I care.
I'm
not scared of you.
What
kind of selfish human being is this? Somebody's your threat. You can't do anything to me.
What have we not said to Chantel? Huh? That Immaculate is her elder sister. And that she must respect her in all ramifications. Okay, Immaculate's wedding is almost at hand. Odugo so. And she's trying to disrupt it. Or the
It is not fair at all. I don't know why Chantel is proving this stubborn. I have tried in every way to convince her to forget whatever she had in the past with Franklin. But no, she is bent on disrupting their wedding.
Did you say whatever she had with Franklin? How are you sure that she's talking about the same Franklin that we know?
My dear, you are asking this question as if you are a stranger. Who else was in that picture she showed us? Is it not the same Franklin that both of us know? I'm beginning to think that there are many things, certain things about Franklin's past that we do not know.
My dear, I will advise you not to bring such, because that will cause more confusion and trouble in this house.
I think we should make more inquiries to find out between Franklin and Chantel who among them is telling the truth.
That is not the point here. What we should be thinking is how to convince Chantel to allow our elder sister wedding to go on.
Now tell me, how do you intend to achieve that when Chantel is bent on disrupting her sister's wedding?
We have to put our heads together and think. After all, they are our children. Let us think.
I'm so happy you fully recovered. So, next thing, wedding plans.
That sounds about right. Baby, how do you plan to resolve this issue with my sister?
Please. There's no issue between me and your sister. If she makes further trouble, I'll have no other option than to arrest her. If she gets to the police station, she will explain to them how she got those pictures.
But you know, that would not be easy. Chantel, I know, she's quite stubborn.
Well, we'll see. At this point, nobody... Brother! Forever. Nah, be bad guy. Sit down now, what's up? Hey! Whoa! What's up? Sit down. Whoa!
Immaculate?
Mr. Shadrach.
You two know each other?
Yes. Can I talk to you outside, please?
Why?
Let me just see outside, briefly.
Why do you need him to go outside with you? To tell him lies? My love, he is my ex. Yes, we lost contact long ago. And I saw him a couple of weeks back.
Ex? Excuse me. Ex? What's going on? Guy, is this what you want to discuss with me outside?
Yes. That's the woman I've been telling you about. My fiance.
Excuse me. Now for you, did you smoke something? What do you mean you're a fiance? She's the woman I've been telling you about. She's the one I want to marry. I'll get married to her in 2 weeks.
Huh? I can't believe this.
Now you will believe I'm... What's going on?
How can this be possible? My Immaculate is the woman Franklin wants to marry. No, I will not let this happen. I love Immaculate so much, and I'm ready to go to any length to have her or to myself. I will just talk to Franklin.
Baby, good afternoon, my love. How are you?
And what are you doing here? I thought I warned you never to step your foot in my house ever again.
Baby, I'm sorry. I said whatever I said out of anger. Promise to be on my best behavior, please. Please, you know I love you so much.
Rita,
Please, I'm sorry.
you threatened to deal with me, and that means a lot.
I said whatever I said out of anger. Please forgive me. You know I love you so much. I love you. You mean the world to me, baby.
Rita, please, leave.
Baby, why are you doing this? Baby, please. Please forgive me for everything. Please, I promise to be on my best behavior. Please,
Now it's too late. It's too late, Rita. I need you to leave my house this minute. And I don't want to ever see you here again. If I do, you will not like what I'll do to you. I'm serious about it.
Baby, please. Baby,
oh, please!
I love you, baby.
Have it. I guess you forgot this. Have it!
Shadrach.
Listen, I do not want to see you in my house ever again. The next time I see you here, I will have you arrested. As a matter of fact, you will not like my actions.
Shadrach. Shadrach, I will go.
Good. Please.
But I swear with my late mother's grave, I will never forgive you for this. I will make you pay dearly for causing me emotional pains. And as for that bitch, that idiot, I will render her life useless. I will make her life miserable. I will make her regret coming into this world.
That's enough now.
And so shall it be.
Leave.
This world. Can you tell me why you are fighting?
Shadrach, go straight to the point. Stop beating about the bush.
Frank, what I'm trying to say is that I want you to please leave Immaculate for me. I love her so much. As a matter of fact, I can't even do anything without her. She's everything and more that I've ever wanted in a woman. And I'm willing to do anything for you, just for you to leave her for me. Please.
Get out of my car.
Why? You haven't even said anything concerning what I just told you.
Get out of my car.
Is this how you want it, Frank? I wanted us to talk like two grown-ups. I wanted us to sort this out amicably. But it seems like it's not what you want, so I'm going to do it my own way.
For the last time, bros, get out of my car.
I will. No problem.
This world. Can you tell me why you are fighting? You get one murderer. Fighting. Wow, fighting. Can you tell me the reason why you wanna fight? You wanna fight. Battle for all, battle for love.
Franklin, I have so much respect and regard for you. But your actions today have proven to me that you don't deserve any of that. I'm on my own from today going forward. I love Immaculate so much and I will not let you have her. Never. I will apply all measures to make sure that doesn't happen. I promise. Hello, Hello? Chantal? Hello, Chantal, can you hear me? Okay, so where are you now? I'm headed to the junction, so meet me up, okay?
This world, can you tell me why you are fighting? You get what matter, fighting. Wow, you tell me the reason why you wanna fight. Battle for all, battle for love. You may be different as the sun and moon, but now blood and the same womb. Now blood flows in your body. Something is fishing, mama. Can't you feel it, mama? Something is not right, mama. Can't you see it?
Hello, Chantal. Where are you at the moment? What? You're being followed by who? Okay, just drive careful, okay? Send me the Google location of where you are at the moment. I'm coming right away. Please be careful, okay?
Madam.
What is it?
Madam, I don't know what happened to small madam.
Which small madam?
Your daughter Shante.
My daughter Shante, what
I was
about
outside the gate. She ran in and collapsed on the ground.
On the ground? Outside the gate?
Yes.
Hey!
I spoke with my mother. Yes, I told her I'll be coming with you day after tomorrow to see her.
Thank you. I cannot wait to meet her.
She can't wait to meet you as well. Is my daughter still sleeping?
Yes, sir. Sir, we need to get more fruit. There is no more fruit in the fridge.
Alright, remind me when I'm done eating.
Okay, sir.
Maybe excuse me, my mom. Hello, Mom. What? When? How? Is she fine? Okay, I'll come home immediately. My God.
What's wrong?
Chantel, she narrowly escaped being kidnapped.
Jesus. Where is she now?
She's at home, at our house. I need to go home immediately.
Calm down, alright? Calm down. I'll drop you off, okay?
Okay.
Calm down. Oh my She'll be fine, please.
Where's Mom? Chantel.
Mom is inside.
Okay.
Come.
Dad.
Come. I need to ask you something.
Is she okay?
Just calm down.
Okay.
Your sister said you had a hand in her attempted kidnap. Is that true?
What? Is she insane? What sort of... Dad, Chantel accused me of having a hand in a kidnap and you believed her?
It's not as if we believe, but we just want to hear from you.
What do you want me to say? Of course I have nothing to say to you. What? I can't even... Oh my God, I can't even fathom it in the first place. What is this? Listen, Dad, if Chantel is planning to use this as a distraction towards the preparation of my wedding, it will not work. It will not disrupt my wedding, Dad. One Chantel. This is enough. Enough is enough. Is she crazy?
Immaculate, this is a serious matter. And you have not said anything.
Dad, I just told you I have nothing to say. If Chantel is so sure of her accusation, let her go to the police. Let's start from there. You know what? I was busy with my fiance when Mom called me. As it stands, I'm going back there.
What? Your sister accused you of sending assassins after her? I don't believe this. This is serious. Such a matter should not be swept under the carpet. No.
I understand.
No. It's not a matter of understanding. I say no. I mean, this is deep. I mean, she's taking this thing too far. It's no longer a matter of sister to sister issue. It is deep. For your sister to have the mind to accuse you of something this serious, it means she can hurt you if she gets the chance.
Oh, well, you're right. But come on. She's still my sister. Relax. She won't do anything. I know Chantel.
My love, if you ask me, stay away from your house. At least for now. You can come stay with me here.
What? Baby, I cannot run away from my father's house. Chantel will not do anything to me.
Sheila, listen to me. You need to stay away from your father's house. I know your sister. I think I can predict what she can do. Your sister is desperate. She can do anything to get what she wants.
Baby, I understand your concern. You know what? I'll be cautious. Henceforth, I'll just, tread carefully. But asking me to run away from my father's house is something I cannot do. I mean, if Chantel messes with me one more time, I'll stand up to her, toe to toe. Relax. I'll be fine.
Right. Just be careful, okay?
I am, always. Nami. Oh, Nami. How far? Wetin dey sup? Which one be you? They I no understand. Wetin dey happen now? I no understand. Which one be say kasala dey? What happened?
The girl don't run. But as she dey run, we dey pursue and dey shoot am. Bullet no dey enter.
What do you mean the girl don't run? Someone that is under your watch, you both watch. How did she manage to escape?
Without due respect, I don't know how she managed to escape from us. I'm sorry.
Sorry for your miserable life. Sorry for your useless selves. You both promised me that you will execute this job perfectly. So how did she manage to run out?
Don't worry. We will track her down. Just give us time.
I should give you time. Do you think I have all the time in this world to give you? I want that girl out of my way. That is what I want. What kind of stupid... I don't even understand. What is wrong with you both?
Trust me, she can never escape from us this time. Just trust me.
I should trust you.
Yes.
The one I trust you, what happened? She escaped. She escaped and you're telling me to trust you. If I come back here, I did not find that girl here. You will not like what I will do to you both. Rubbish. Can you imagine?
My darling, yes, please, you take her to school and you bring her back.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay.
Daddy, why are you not coming to pick me?
I need to rush to the office. I have something to take care of.
Don't worry. I'll drop you off at school and I'll pick you back, okay?
See you.
Actually, I'm here to see you concerning our last discussion. It's about Immaculate. I love Immaculate so much and I would like you to please allow me to marry her. I love her.
Are you done?
What do you mean if I'm done?
Are you done talking?
Listen, Frank, you know how important this is. And that is why I'm here to plead with you to please allow me to marry Immaculate. I love her so much.
Leave my house. If you're done talking, leave my house. If I say it again, I'll get you arrested. Get out of my house.
What do you mean I should get out of your house?
Leave my compound now.
Frank, do not take my gentleness for cowardice. Because I'll stop at nothing but to make sure that I get my beloved back.
John, open the gate for me.
Immaculate, we promised each other marriage. And here you are now. I'm not going to let this man take you away from me. That I promise.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Victor, Frank called me a madman because of my own woman. I will make sure that wedding never takes place.
What are you even saying? You keep committing yourself to a girl that her heart belongs to another man. What are you dragging at? What are you fighting at?
Immaculate doesn't belong to anybody. She is my woman. She's the woman that I'll fall head over heels in love with over and over again. She's everything and more that I ever wanted in a woman. We promised to marry each other.
and so shall it be.
Shadrach, listen to me. You knew her 4 years ago. Things have changed. You both lost contact. What are you expecting? She should sit there and wait for you? No! She had to move on. Do the same.
Victor, let me ask you. On whose side are you on? I thought you were my friend.
Oh, I see.
Frank must have bribed you.
That is it! Frank has bribed you.
Listen, nobody bribed me. When I see a fight you can't win, I will tell you. You are my friend. It's a lost battle. You can't win her.
Who is telling you that? I've lost. I'm a lion. You know what that means.
I will not let another man take away my woman from me. Never.
Do you want my advice? I will advise you leave that girl alone and focus on your girlfriend. Leave that girl alone. Don't you love your girlfriend?
You're saying rubbish.
I'm here talking about my own immaculate.
And you're talking about that prostitute called Rita. What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you? Listen, I'll prove to all of you, especially Frank, that I am the man, even with his wealth. I will show him that I am the man.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Please, I plead to take my leave. Have a good day.
You all can go to hell! I don't care.
No man will take my woman away from me.
I don't understand this. I don't know this woman. When did I take these pictures? When? How? Will I be dating somebody I don't even know? I don't know her. I'm confused. Come in.
Sir, good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir. Sir, breakfast is served.
Alright, so I'll be coming down shortly.
Okay, sir.
What about my daughter? Is she ready for school?
Yes, sir, she is.
I don't know this woman.
Tony, you think you can mess with me? Get away with it? Never! She got me pregnant. And I almost died trying to abort it. Now you want to move over to my sister. I mean, who does that? Do you want to marry my own sister? Never. Never. I won't let you succeed. Tony, I won't let you embarrass me before the entire world. I will do whatever it takes to make sure I see you on your knees begging me. No way. That is not going to happen. Come in!
Chantal? You started drinking this morning. What for?
Have you too changed your mind?
Your father is waiting for you. He wants to see you.
Chantel Achebe, nothing will happen to you.
Do not keep your father waiting. Come right away. Hi, Namarama. You are welcome. You are welcome to my house.
Thank you so much, Mama.
What can I offer you?
Nothing, I'm fine. I can see he is not around.
Yes. He went at bed. What can I offer you?
Oh, Mama, please don't worry. I am fine.
Why?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'll have to be on my way now.
Why? So soon?
Mama, don't worry. I'll come again to visit you. But before I forget, please can I have your number so I can be calling to check on you?
Yes. I'll give you my number. Here's my number. Be calling me.
Okay, Mama, I will. Thank you. I beg to take my leave now. Take care of yourself. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
I am glad I collected her number. This is the right time to make use of it.
Chantal, from the depth of my heart, I want to say that I'm really sorry for what happened. You know, we were supposed to see, but I thank God that you succeed on everything that took place.
My sister wants me dead. All because of a man.
No, she can't do that. I know Immaculate very well. As a matter of fact, she can't even afford to hurt an ant. She can't do that.
Really?
Yes.
Is that what you think?
Is what I know.
Oh, stop it. You really do not know my sister. But let's not debate on this. Why am I here?
I love Immaculate, your sister, very much. She's everything and more that I've ever wanted in a woman. I mean, she's a lady that any man in his right sense will fall head over heels and love it. I still love her. I want to win her over, and I want you to please help me.
How I wish that would be easy and possible.
How do you mean? Please, say.
To win Immaculate over, you must have to go an extra miles. But I warn you, if you must do that, you should not harm my Tony.
When you said that I have to go extra miles, what do you mean?
What a very pleasant surprise. Oh. So you both are meeting. Who knows what you are plotting? Well, Shadrach, I do not care what you're plotting with my sister. I'm here to warn you. Stay away from my husband and I. Whatever we had is now in the past. It is over.
I want you to know that I will make a better husband than Frank. Please, what does he have that I don't have? I will take care of you.
Shadrach, I will not repeat myself. Whatever we had is in the past. It's over now. Know your place. Do you understand me? I don't want anything to do with you. I do not want you in my life. Do you understand? Good.
No, you have to hold it right there. Immaculate, what is the color of your problem? Who the hell do you think you are? Why are you making this whole thing so difficult for all of us? Shadrach wants you. And I want my Tony back. Why not we solve this whole matter here and now? You can have your Shadrach, and I'll have my Tony back.
What a beautiful speech.
Thank you.
The genius have spoken. Thank you. So this is what you both have been plotting. Wow. Chantal, wow. Anyway, like you rightly said, let's end this here and now. So this is my solution. Take Shadrach, marry him, while I remain with my Franklin. There it is. Problem solved. And you know what, sister? Happy married life. Continue. I will say it next time.
Immaculate.
My sister, that's what I've been battling since Chantal came back from the UK. Your parents should call her to order. What kind of rubbish is that? The funny thing is, she never used to be like this. I don't know what has gotten into Chantal.
So, what are your plans for the wedding?
Plans? Nothing special. We're just prepping, you know, the usual. But everything is on track. And trust me, nothing to be afraid of.
Really?
Yes, really.
And you think your sister will just sit back and fold her hands and watch you with the same man both of you are fighting for?
Chica, darling, my sister can go to hell for all I care. Franklin is mine and mine alone. Cheers to that.
Immaculate, Chantal is capable of disrupting your marriage. You really need to do something, like fast.
Something like what?
If possible, in the early hour of that day, get her arrested until after the marriage.
What? You want me to arrest my sister? No way, I won't do that. What do you want people to say about me?
People to say about you? It's for your own good.
Chica, relax. Nothing will happen to me, okay? Take your drink.
What do we call this? Where do we go to look for her?
God, let her sister. She will know her whereabouts.
Dad, you called?
Yes. This is 3 whole days that we have not seen your sister. 3 days that she left this house without telling anybody where she was going.
And her phones is still off. Do you have an idea where she went?
Not exactly, Mom. But I saw her at Shadrach's house the other day. I think about 4 days back.
Shadrach? Who is Shadrach?
The man that claims to be my fiancé.
Then we need to go there and check if she's still there.
Dad, I don't think Chantel is there.
But why would she go to Shadrach's house? What was she doing there when you met her?
I wouldn't know, Mom. I only went to Shadrach's house to warn him to stay away from me. Then I met her there.
It's okay, you give me Shadrach's address. I will go there and check if she's still there.
That's fine, but I don't think she's there. Meanwhile, I'll be traveling with Franklin tomorrow. He says he wants to take me to go see his mother.
It's okay, but before you go, I need Shadrach's address.
Perfect, Dad. I'll send it to you.
All right.
I'll be inside.
Okay.
Relax. Chantel is a big girl. It's fine.
We have been watching this gate for the past 3 days now. Yet, she's not showing up. Are you sure she's still in this place?
Let's be patient. If she does not show up after today, we have to replan.
What do you mean? How?
We will get her phone number, then lure her out.
Guy, at this point, we need to be very careful. Extremely careful.
Sure, we will.
Set his joke.
Greetings, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. Please, what brings you to my house? I hope everything is alright.
Yes, all is well. I learned my daughter Shanta was here 4 days ago. And since 3 days now, we have not seen her. I want to know whether she's still in your house.
No, sir. She's not here. Moreover, that day she came to my house was her very last time. She has not come again.
Do you know where she could be?
No, I have no idea, sir.
Please, in case you discover her whereabouts, please inform me, Biko.
Sure, I will.
Okay, I have to leave immediately. Okay? Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
All day.
Yeah. What does it mean that they have not seen Chantal for some days now? What is going on? Let it not be that Chantal is up to... What is going on? Let it not be that Chantal is up to something. I will not let anybody harm my immaculate. I will not let that happen. What could she be up to?
My daughter, do you ever sleep?
Mama, good morning, ma.
Good morning, my beautiful daughter. You have swept everywhere, including the parlor. Eh?
Mama Biko, it's nothing. As you can see, I am not a lazy woman. It's Simike.
Hey. Your former.
Whoa.
Eh? I know. The other day, when you accompanied me to the farm, I asked you to sit back. You refused. Thank God, though. My son has finally found good wife.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much, Mama.
Let me go and prepare breakfast so that you eat.
Hey, Mama, no. Ha! Once I'm done with this, I will make the breakfast myself. All I want you to do is go in there, sit down and relax. Let your daughter-in-law take care of you. Mama, I am here for you. Oh?
Hey! Oh! My God, we bless you.
Amen.
You will have good children.
Amen.
Handsome boys and beautiful girls.
Amen.
And your marriage will be very, very sweet. Oh?
Amen. Mama, God will give me sons and daughters. I mean, grandchildren from me. Oh, to you.
Hi. My daughter.
Oh, Mama.
You have been working since morning you woke up. You've not rested.
Mama, I am fine. Do not worry about me. Oh?
Chai! If you finish this one, you come inside. Oh? Ibiaki Zoike. Acharam ka chaji you.
Okay, Mama. Once I'm done with this, I will come inside. But I hope you enjoyed the food I prepared.
Yes, I did. Otoka. Ime sinni na izo nkoma. Hey. Ezigbo nwa. I am very happy that you are my wife.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
I want to ask you something. Why did you tell me not to tell my son that you are here?
Mama, it's really nothing serious. No, I am here. Mama, don't worry. When I come inside, we'll talk about it. Wine and wine.
So bad, Mama was talking about oh yeah, do fast. Oh, do fast. I'm coming. Okay. You see, your own one.
Ah.
Welcome to my village.
This is beautiful. The environment is so natural.
Yeah, very natural. This is where I had my primary and secondary education before I got admission into the university.
This is amazing. It's beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. So I grew up here. Just about 20 minutes drive from here to my house.
Wow. Oh, but baby, why didn't you tell your mother we were coming?
No. I want to surprise her.
You and surprises are like 5 and 6. You're so full of them. Oh.
Yeah.
I can just imagine you playing around this place.
The young man said that after the first time she visited, that he has not seen her again.
Are you sure everything is okay with her daughter? Because this is quite unlike her. Her phone is switched off. What is the meaning of this?
After today, if I did not hear anything about her whereabouts, I think I will go to the police station and report entry.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Madam, good afternoon. Sir, there is this particular car that is always parking before our gate here. There are 2 boys inside. And from my observation as the chief security officer of this place, I think they are mounting watch on this house.
I think I saw the car when I was driving.
That is the car. That is the car, sir. It's still there as I'm talking to you now.
Call the police immediately. Don't waste time.
But if I call the police, let me be sure that the car is still back.
It's there, sir. Let's go.
Oga is no longer there.
Oga, I swear, the time I came out here, I saw that car. I saw that car.
They must have suspected you and drove away. But notwithstanding, I will call the DPO to notify him about them. I will not keep quiet.
Okay.
Let's go in.
Yes.
Someone is dying inside every day. Someone is dying inside slowly. Watching my love life drain away. Watching my love life drain away. And we go extra mile for my love. I must do anything.
My love, welcome to my home.
Hey, you. Odogun mama.
Mama.
Hey. Odogun mama. Easy Millie. No.
Yes.
What a surprise visit. You didn't tell me you are coming home.
You know my way, Mama. I wanted to surprise you.
No.
Good afternoon, Mama.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, thank you, Mama.
Mama, my wife to be, immaculate, my mother. Yes, please. Hug her very well.
How many wives do you want to marry?
Which one is how many wives do I want to marry? Did I tell you I'm marrying more than one wife? This is my wife to be, immaculate.
Your wife has been here since 3 days. And she has been helping me in doing some house chores.
Hey! Oh, baby.
Don't touch me! What are you doing here? What are you doing in my house? Mama, this person is not my wife. I'll arrest her. This is my wife to be.
Hey! No. Mama. No, you not do that. She has been helping me.
My friend, leave here. I said leave this compound. Get out. I don't know you.
Franklin, let's go and talk.
Mother, we're not talking anything. I don't know this girl,
You
Mama.
are my son.
Oh! Mother, I don't know this girl. What's all this? He's married by force.
Let's go and talk. People.
Chantal, so this is where you've been for 3 days? Dad and Mom has been worried about you? Really?
Are you surprised? Poor thing. Anyways, his mother recognizes me as the only daughter-in-law and not you. So my dear, take your wacky ass out of this compound before
And
you disgrace.
Franklin is a boy that will just listen to every single thing his mother tells him.
Every responsible man pays attention to whatever their mother
You are psychotic. You are sick. You need help. You need a doctor. What is wrong with you?
No, you need a doctor you've lost. You see, that man over there is my Tony.
There is
And I am not
nothing to
giving up on
lose
him.
or win. He's not a commodity. What is wrong with
Hello, I will fight for the man I love, and that's a period.
Mother, that demon, that woman, I don't know who she is. She's trying to force herself on me. Saying I must marry her and not her sister. Who does that? I don't know her.
Mama, I understand everything you are saying. But my opinion is that she is a good girl. You needed to see how industrious she is. Can the other girl follow me to the farm? But Chantal followed me to the farm.
Now, what are you saying? Am I marrying Immaculate to become a farmer? What are you saying? You're telling me you understand me. You don't understand anything, Mama. That woman is an imposter. She's a fraudster. She came here, hid in our house, and had been doing whatever with you. Her people are looking for her. Yes. Mama, it's just because of you. If you don't tell that lady to leave this house, I will arrest her.
Manu, Mom, don't arrest anyone. I will test them by myself.
Yeah.
Anyone that suits in for you, you will marry that person.
Mama, it does not work that way. You will not test my wife. I've tested her already. The person I want to marry is Immaculate. I have fixed date for my wedding. What are you saying? I don't know this person. She just came out from nowhere, said her name is Chantal, calling me Tony, saying all sorts of nonsense, saying I impregnated her and I ran away. Rubbish.
So it's not true.
Mama, so you don't believe me? See, I've told you what I want to tell you. The person I'm going to marry is Immaculate. That's the woman you've been speaking with. She is my wife to be. I don't know this other person. Hey. And it stays that way. Please. Excuse me.
So, Chantal is not the woman my son wants to marry. Maybe she has been pretending for me to like her.
What happened?
The gateman suspected us, so we had to leave that place.
This is not my agreement with you guys. I want that bitch to go down. I don't care how you do it. Okay? All I want is for her to go down.
Madam, calm down. Calm down. Moku calculate now. If police catch us now, you go run off your phone. So give us time, Moku calculate. No house we go take around the matter now.
I should calm down. I should give you all the time in this world. That girl is out there to take what rightfully belongs to me. Are you telling me to calm down? I should give you more time to do what? I want that girl dead and out of my way.
Consider it done.
That is the thing there. From that place.
Yeah, that agrees, right?
Yeah, it ends. You know,
the land is in a nice area. But you know the problem is the price. I have 40 million naira cash for this place.
But the owner said it's 45 million naira last.
But this is business now. You can get back to the owner and tell him how much I want to offer him for the land. And I want to buy it immediately. I'm not just coming here to price. It's a cash and carry thing now.
But it's 45 million naira.
My brother, what is the difference between 40 and 45 million?
Since you have
seen the place, this thing is situated for that, and it's not even complete.
Since you have...
Officer, where is he? That's a criminal. That's him, this guy. Arrest him.
I don't understand. Arrest me for what? What is going on here?
I don't have time to exchange words with you. Arrest this idiot. Let's go.
Young man, you are under arrest. And I expect you to remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Officer, what have I done now? I'm just here talking to my agent here. Arrest me for what now?
Officer, breach of trust.
Which trust?
Thank you. Why this guy is here? Why is here? Let's go.
Now I don't understand.
I'll fire you today.
Franklin.
Why is he
Go on the line.
Go inside. Which line? Go, my friend. Go inside, my friend. Which line?
Go. I want you in a Liegum name. Let's go. Move this idiot.
Franklin.
Oh, fighting. Dragging. This word.
You again. Haven't I warned you to stop coming to my house? What are you doing here?
Who is she?
She's my ex, but she just wouldn't let me be.
Oh.
Rita, get out of my house now. Get out!
You think I am that cheap? Huh? Shadrach, you think I am that cheap? You both will pay for the pains you have caused me.
What is she talking about?
You will pay dearly for it.
Hey! Put that thing away. You could hurt somebody now.
Hey, listen, you little Barbie. Can you just drop that thing and disappear? He just told you to get out.
Put it away.
Save yourself some respect.
You think I'm joking with you? You think I'm here to play with you?
Hey, listen, let me tell you. We do bigger things than this in London, so I'm not scared.
Oh.
Get out.
What? You just shot her.
Hey! You think you're safe too?
What is wrong with you?
You idiot! You fool! Today is your judgment day, Shadrach! I warned you! I told you!
Put it away!
Put it away! Stop. You are going to pay dearly for it!
It's a dream.
Hi, Shadrach. Hi. How are you?
You. What do you want?
Shadrach, I've come to ask for a second chance. Please forgive me for whatever I have done to you. Please.
Rita, there is nothing like that. We are done for good.
Shadrach, what have I done to you? What have I done to warrant this maltreatment from you? Tell me, why are you doing this to me?
Rita, you're not supposed to be here. Please leave. I've told you that I do not want to come into my house again. I don't know how else do you want me to explain it to you that this thing we call relationship is over. I am done with it.
Fine, I will leave. But you will never set your eyes on me again. But you will definitely hear from me.
Oh please, I'm not moved by your threats anymore. Please, leave my house. Can you imagine? The next time I see her in my house again, I'm going to deal with her. What's the meaning of all this?
Oh, fighting, fighting.
Mom.
My beautiful daughter.
Mommy.
Asawam. Tomato juice. Omalecha.
Wow.
You look so beautiful.
Thank you, Mom.
Look at my little flower girl. Hey! You have started shining. You're shining.
Thank you, Mom.
Oh, my
Mommy,
bright girl.
why did you say they should bring something for her to eat?
Oh, don't worry. They will. Or she'll go downstairs later to eat.
Okay, that's perfect. At least before we go to church.
Yeah. She breast milk. How are you enjoying it?
I'm fine.
Makeup, you're not done yet.
I'm almost now.
Okay, you have to be fast about it because she's almost late for church.
Yes, Mom.
Everybody is ready. We are just waiting for you.
And Dad, where is he?
Oh, he's upstairs.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Is he dressed?
He is. Everyone is ready. We are just waiting for the bride of the day.
I'm almost done, Mom. Don't worry.
It's okay.
Congratulations, Mom.
It's okay. Let me arrange something for her to eat. We're
Perfect,
waiting.
Mom.
It's
Perfect.
okay.
Yeah. So you just do a pin-up.
Okay.
Yes.
So relax. Everything will be okay, okay?
Of course.
You look so beautiful.
I am so happy. Finally.
From the information I gathered, the wedding will be taking place this morning. I have the name of the church already. So I want you guys to go there and do a clean job. Shoot her! I will be there to confirm it. Okay? Your escape will not be a problem.
How much are you adding for this risk you want us to take?
Must everything be all about money? I paid you guys heavily. What else do you want me to do? Okay, fine. I'll top it 100K.
Madam, I can 200K. I'm going to do a clean job for you.
What's that for all?
I will make it 150K. Deal or no deal?
Deal.
Thank you. Then let's see, this should be to the left, right?
Yeah, right.
Good. How do I look?
You look very awesome.
Thank you. All right, we should be heading to the church right now.
No, sir. Call your wife. Let's know where she is now. You know women, before they prepare, do their makeup and all that.
Yes, right. They always take their time before.
Yeah.
Hello, baby. Yeah, I love you. I love you. I love you so much. Are you ready? Really? You're on your way to the church? Okay, no while. I'll be with you soon. I'm just about to leave the house. All right, I love you. Oh God, you are wrong. My wife is on her way to the church already.
Interesting. Then we should get going.
All right, let's go.
Hey! Oh, say hello, Divine. Hello. Say hello. Oh, I am so happy. Today is the happiest day of my life. Thank you. So do you. Come on, take a smile. Smile. I cannot wait. Yeah, finally. Driver, please. Hurry up. Just take the shot.
What happened? You're supposed to be inside the church.
The wedding is no longer taking place.
Meaning?
The bride was kidnapped on her way to the church.
By who?
We don't know. We need to leave here now. This place is not safe.
Wait. Let me enter the church and confirm things by myself.
There's no need of you going there. We were there when the chief bridesmaid came with the message. All of them were in the car with the bride.
I'm confused. Who else wants her out of the way?
What's going on here? Is this a game or what? Who could have kidnapped her?
Who is playing this game? I think Franklin is up to something. He's up to some funny game. He's no longer here. Where could he have gone to?
Honestly, I expected that by now, the kidnappers would have called to make their demands.
Do you think Chantel has a hand in this?
I wouldn't know, madam. She will be the one to prove her innocence at the police station. Because if she had listened to me when I was telling her to let go of everything, Franklin would not have pointed an accusing finger on her.
My 2 daughters. Eh? My 2 daughters. What have I done to the devil to do this to me? Both of them are important to me. Why? Why is the devil pointing at my happiness, my source of happiness?
Did I hear you call devil? Why are you apportioning any blame to the devil? Blame your daughter. You should blame your daughter, who refused to listen to her father. Look at now. But let me warn. If anything should happen to my daughter, she will go in for it.
Both of them are our daughters. Both of them are important.
What's wrong? You're crying. I'm getting.
The picture.
What about the pictures? I can see the pictures.
The picture. Chantel was right.
How do you mean? Right about what?
The picture. I've seen the mark on his forehead. Look at it.
Mark.
Look at the mark.
What mark? What? I don't understand. What?
Come here. You okay?
I've missed you, yes.
Hold it. They didn't hurt you.
No.
You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Okay, good afternoon.
Yes, good day.
Good day. Our team was combing a particular area after a report we got from neighborhood concerning kidnapping. And we ran into the gang group and we arrested the gang. When they were interrogated, they confessed that this lady here, Rose, contracted them to kidnap Ms. Immaculate. We brought her here because she said that she is your ex-wife.
Yes, she's my ex-wife. Why? Rose, why?
You think I'll be alive and watch you marry another woman? Never!
So why will you be angry? Huh? I'm asking you, Rose, why will you be angry? You left me. You left our marriage. You said you were tired of the marriage. You filed for divorce. Before I knew it, you left. You moved out of my house. Left me with this child when she was 8 months old. You never cared to know how your child is doing up till now. So how did I wrong you?
Hi.
I'm asking you, how did I wrong you? You left me.
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I've realized my mistakes. Please. Please, I'm sorry.
I don't want to tell you,
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
Officers, thank you very much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your work. Thank you. I mean, to think that I arrested the wrong people, not knowing that this demon is behind this. Please lock her up, okay? Lock her up. Make sure she faces the law. Lock her up. The deepest part of your prison, lock her there.
Move!
Get out! Lock her up!
Go, move! Move it! Move it!
I'm sorry.
Move it! My friend! Move. Come on!
Wetin I dey try yarn una be say The girl who una say then kidnap don't come back. She's back.
The wedding girl?
Yes, the wedding girl. She's back. I want you guys to kidnap her again. And this time, I want the job to be very clean.
That is true.
I don't want to hear stories this time. I don't want to hear that she escaped this time around.
Freezer! Please! Hey, Cousin! Please! Any movement, I'll finish all of you. My men are... Sorry, I will blast out your head. My men are gathering here. They are surrendering all over here. So do not make a single move. You hear me? Oh yeah, move! Move it! Come on! Come on! Solomon, come on!
Officer! Officer! Officer!
Stop it!
You people should blame me for all the fights. It shouldn't have happened if I had told my son the truth.
What truth?
The young man Shanta met in London is Frank's twin brother.
Oh my word.
Are you saying that Franklin here has a twin brother?
Things was very hard for me and my late husband when I put to bed. I contacted the doctor and told him our inability to take care of the two babies and our plans to sell one of the babies so that we can settle our bills.
I cannot believe this.
The doctor contacted a rich couple that paid us and took one of the babies. But before they took him, I gave him a mark on his forehead.
That's true. That's true. That's true. She's right. You know, Tony has this faint mark on his forehead. I totally forgot. I got carried away by the resemblance. Oh, I am sorry. I am deeply sorry. Forgive me. You know these things with love, and I just could not sit back and place it properly. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. Forgive me for all the troubles, all the wahala. I'm truly sorry.
I have never set my eyes on him again since then. But when my son was showing me pictures, I saw the mark I gave him on his forehead. I knew he is my son. He is the Tony Shanta met in London. Please, my son, I'm very sorry for hiding the truth from you. Forgive me.
I forgive you, Mother. There's no point being angry with you. It will not change anything. This thing happened a long time ago. I think the most important thing right now is to find a way to bring my twin brother back here.
I think you are very correct. Yes. He has to come back.
The doctor is still alive. I believe he can lead us to the family.
Immaculate, my soul sister. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I didn't mean all this. I thought I was fighting for love. Please forgive me.
I forgive your ignorance. You're my sister after all.
Excuse me. I have to take this call. Hello? Yes, who are you? Tony. Tony, where are you? Where have you been? Yes, I'm in Nigeria. Funny enough, I found your twin brother. You two look alike. Yes. Oh, you will call back. Okay, I'll be waiting. Tony. That's Tony. Oh, he said he's going to call me back.
Please. Honey, your twin brother has been found. Just like that. Thank God. Thank God it's ended in thank you.
Yeah.